Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the stock chart of Ford Motor Company, and this chart pattern setup is very interesting and the current price level is very important for the chart. Why I am saying so is because just this is the long term chart. Okay, so the data available since 1980, and if you look at the 1980, yep, if you look at the stock price and the way it has moved, so from current lows it went up to around 64%, but this level is very important. Let me tell you why it is so important. And yes, so just look at this chart right now. So this is the current support and this will be the next upcoming support, and if it indeed breaks below this level, so the price will directly goes toward the lows of 1980s and 2009. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. If you look at this chart, so right now this is your current support and this is your next support. Okay, so this is pretty much clear. If I zoom chart a bit, you can see that the price is near to its resistance level, which is around 6.75. okay, but the main problem here is if the chart breaks the level of $3, it will move towards 1.05. So that is the main fear. And if you look the entire chart setup, this chart is flat. It's completely flat from past, you can say 30 odd years. You can see here. So this chart is completely flat. So while looking into a flattish kind of chart pattern, so the way you should look at this kind of chart pattern is simply do not over expecting either on the upside or on the downside unless things happen either ways. So I've just spoke about the support levels. So let me tell you about the resistance level, or target levels. Your first resistance is around 6.75. If it stays above 6.75, then the next target or resistance will come at around 16 and 18 simultaneously, and likewise 38. So you have 38 on the upside and 1.05 on the downside. So the way you should treat this chart is as follows. If you look at this chart simply went up and then down, and it is on the way to go up, but it hasn't reached this level yet. So there is a probability, because it is in the middle of the range, so there is a probability that it will go either side. But looking at the previous trend, there is a higher probability that it will go up and again it will go down. Okay, so consider the trend like this, and you have your stop losses on the place 6.75. You can consider this as a resistance and these two as your support levels. If it breaks, then it will go toward its, this is 1980s low, this is 2009's low. And if you see, so the upside momentum took 1980 to 1999, so the uptrend stays for 19 years. So if I just check out this trend, if you look at this trend 6421, so it will come somewhere here. So we are in the middle of the uptrend looking at this previous chart pattern. But in any case, when you are going through technicals, using technicals to study chart, what you should do is respect and give a first rank to your risk analysis and follow the support and resistance in a very disciplined manner. So that's the key. Once you take care about these two things, the only thing which you are left with is profit. So just observe the chart. So unless it breaks 39 odd dollars, it stays above 39 odd dollars, we can't say a new trend will start. Likewise, if it won't go below $1, $1.05, we can't say it will go downside. It will stay within this big range, and you can see how the trend has shaped up in between. So don't over expect and keep the trend in place and take your decisions accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.